G'day guys, and welcome back to another episode of the Weekly Mixup. If you haven't already, please subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell below so you get notified every week when we release these videos. So today we are making the Citrus Sipper, which is a delicious summer cocktail, which you'll be enjoying this summer. So let's get started. First thing you need to do, get your shaker. I'm gonna load up with some ice. I'm gonna do 50 mils of Aperol into your shaker. 25 mils of limoncello. $25 mils of vodka. And 15 mils of Cointreau. And before we shake, we are going to just load up the highball with some ice and give it a shake. Alrighty. We'll grab a strainer, strain into the glass. We're going to top up with some fresh OJ. And to garnish, Bianca did a great job of creating this garnish for us today, so we're going to use that. A bit of orange peel and lemon peel. And straw. And there you have it. Enjoy.